Interpreting the unit rate as slope. Unit rate is a rate in which the second quantity in the comparison is 1 unit. For example, 10 centimeters per 1 minute. A lot of the times you see this in examples where you have miles per hour, miles per gallon, and there's other examples. This is just some of the common ones you see. But I need you to know that unit rate and slope are the same. Okay, there are constant rates of change, and they are the proportional relationships that we're looking for. All right, let's take a look at example 1. On example 1, it says every 3 seconds 4 cubic feet of water pass over a dam. Draw a graph of the situation. Find the unit rate of the proportional relationship. So if we call this X and this Y, our constant rate of change is going to be 4 over 3. 8 over 6, which is 4 over 3. 12 over 9, which simplifies to 4 over 3. 16 over 12. And 20 over 15. All of these simplify to 4/3. So when we write an equation, we would write y equals 4/3 x. So when we go to plot this, you go up 4 to the right 3. Then you would go up 4 to the right 3. It has a rise of 4 and a run of 3. This is a proportional relationship because it's a straight line and it passes through the origin. So unit rate and slope are the same. We're just finding it as a denominator of 1. Let's go to number 2. Thomas rides his bike at a steady rate of 2 miles every 10 minutes. Graph the situation. Find the unit rate of this proportional relationship. Okay, so if we have 2 miles for every 10 minutes, the proportionality of this is also 1 mile for 5 minutes. Okay, and if we want to set it up, we could say that what we are doing, if we want it as a unit rate, we could say 1/5 of a mile in 1 minute. Okay, unit rate and slope are the same thing. We're looking at an equation of y equals 1/5 x. So to draw 1/5 x, we're going to go up 1 to the right 5. Okay, and then we're going to go up 1 to the right 5, which should be 210. Okay, and I'm going to use my straight edge here to help me draw this line because it makes life a little bit easier. Okay, so that is what my line looks like. The slope is 1/5. All right, let's go to the next example. Example 2, the equation y equals 2 and 7500 x represents the rate in barrels per hour. The oil is pumped from well A. The graph represents the rate that is pumped from well B, which well pumped at a faster rate. Alright, so if we find the constant rate of change, we have 275 divided by 1 is 275. If we do 5.5 divided by 2, we get 275. If we do 825 divided by 3, we get 275. And if we do 11 divided by 4, we get 275. So yes, this is y equals 275x. Alright, now let's look at the graph here. So if we take a look at the ordered pair, we could say 2, this is going by 2s, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So this first ordered pair is at 10. So I could have 4, 10. We have another ordered pair right here, which is 10, 20. Alright, so if we want to find the slope of this, we could do 10 divided by 4. Oh, I wrote that wrong. Sorry, that's not 10. That's 8. Sorry, 10 is here. So that's 820. Alright, so let's do that one more time. 10 divided by 4 and 20 divided by 8. Let's see what that gets me. 10 divided by 4 is 2.5, and 20 divided by 8 is 2.5. Okay, this is going to be y equals 2.5x. It's a proportional relationship because it's a straight line and passes through the origin. Alright, well, which one's faster? Well, A is 2 and 7500ths barrels compared to well B, which is 2 and 5/10ths barrels. Well, I'd rather have 2 and 7500ths faster, so well A has a faster rate. Okay, let's take a look at number 4. The equation y equals 375x represents the relationship between x, the time that the plane flies in hours, and y, the distance the plane flies in miles for plane A. The table represents the relationship for plane B. Find the slope of the graph for each plane of the plane's rate of speed. Determine which plane is flying at a greater rate of speed. Okay, so let's call this x and this y. Well, this is just 425 over 1, which is 425. So this is y equals 425x. If you did 850 divided by 2, you get 425. If you did 1,275 divided by 3, you get 425. And if you did 1,700 divided by 4, you get 425. So it's a constant rate of change of 425. Alright, so which one's flying at a faster rate of speed? Well, I'd rather travel 425 miles in 1 hour, where plane A travels 375 miles in 1 hour. So more miles per hour on plane B is flying faster. Okay. All right.